Good morning, all of you. Good morning, Ritaj, Karmita, Amira, Urvashi, Prisha. Are you all ready for the class? Are you all ready? Devik, Gurman, Yuvan, Viraj, Vedansh. Are you all ready for the class? Yashvi. Okay. So today we are going to start our class with Child-Centric Mathematics Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2. Okay. Today we are going to start the class with maths. So let us start the class. All of you go and bring your maths book so that we can start with the class. I hope you all are done with tracing of the pre-strokes, semicircle and the complete circle. Have you all done this? Have you all done? Have you all done this? This was the tracing of the semicircle and this was the tracing of the complete circle. I told you that these pre-writing strokes will be helpful to you in forming the next numbers. Okay. So let us see what we are going to write. Today we are going to write number 6. Which number is this? This is number 6. All of you show me your 6 fingers. One complete hand fingers and one more finger from the another hand. So these are 6 fingers. These are 6 fingers. First of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Put the date, month, year and then circle the weather for today. Okay, done with this. So let us count the cats. Which animal it is? This is a cat. This is a cat. And what is the sound of the cat? What does the cat says? Cat says meow. So this is a cat. This is a cat. And how many cats are there? Should we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cats are there? There are 6 cats. So which number is this? This is number 6. This is number 6. Take out your pencils and start tracing number 6. Okay. Let us trace number 6. Very good. Very good. This way you have to do tracing on number 6. This way you have to do tracing on number 6. Okay. You have to complete tracing and writing of number 6. Okay. Which number it is? Which number is this? This is number 6. So slowly you have to move your pencil. Move your pencil slowly. Move your pencil like this. Very good. This is number 6. Parents, please make sure first the child will do the tracing. On another day the child has to write it on the single dot. Okay. They have to write it on the single dot. This is number 6. This is number 6. This is number 6. Okay. Which number is this? This is number 6. This is number 6. Please do not force the child that you have to write this particular size. Initially let them write it. Then you can give instructions for the size of the number. Okay. Let them write the way they are writing, but don't force them to touch this line. Give them instructions, but they will follow your instructions slowly and slowly. Okay, very first day we cannot expect them to write very much perfectly. We can guide them so that they can write in a beautiful manner and in an appropriate manner. So what is the rhyme for 6? Down to the loop the 6 rolls a hoop. Okay, down to the loop. Down to the loop. We are coming down to the loop. The 6 rolls a hoop. The 6 rolls a hoop. Down to the loop. The 6 rolls a hoop. So this is number 6. This is number 6. This is number 6. Okay. You have to write number 6. You have to write number 6. So you have to initially recognize number 6. Though you all recognize number 6 because already we have done. So, but today we started writing 6. So you have to recall the formation of number 6. Okay, count the cats and write number 6. Fine. Down to a loop, the 6 rolls a hoop. This is number 6. This is number 6. Okay. Moving on to next, now we are going to do rhymes. So let us start with the rhyme. Do you all remember the rhyme? Do you all remember the rhyme? You are special. Every day I used to say you that you all are special. You all are so special. Okay. Now let us listen to the rhyme. So I hope you all enjoyed the rhyme. You are special. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like me. Each of us is special to God. That's the way it's meant to be. That's really a wonderful rhyme. Okay. So moving on to next. Now we are going to do spoken English. Go and bring your spoken English joyful bee. Let's learn more vocabulary. Okay. So all of you bring your spoken English book. So let us start with spoken English. Okay. Do you all remember what we did in our previous class of spoken English? We did letter J. We did letter J. We did letter J. Listen to the phonic sound of letter J first.
J, J, J. Jelly beans jumping, jumping all the day. J, 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 J is the sound of J.
J is the sound of J. J is the sound of J. J is the sound of J. Okay. So I hope you all remember the vocabulary words on this page. Today we are going to cover these notes. Have the children repeat as many J words as possible, such as J, jar, J, jar of, J, jam, J, jacket, J, jaw, J, jelly, J, jewelry, J, jet. Okay. Have the children make sentences using each of these. Suppose this is a jar of jam. This is my jacket. This is mama's jewelry. Okay. I like to eat jelly. Okay. So these are the lines. These are the sentences. This way they can form using the beginning with this is a, that is a, I like, I do not like, and including the words related to letter J, 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 J. Now speaking on the composite above, encourage the child to dramatize the picture given above. Ask them to make statements like, oh, see, the jaguar is driving a jeep. Okay, this is somewhat a kind of picture description as well. So they'll say, oh, see, the jaguar is driving the jeep. The joker is juggling. The joker is juggling. The joker is sitting on back seat of the jeep. Joker कहाँ बैठा है? Where is the joker sitting? The joker is sitting on the back seat of the jeep. The joker is juggling 4 jugs. How many jugs the joker is juggling? So the joker is juggling 4 jugs. Okay. The jaguar is sipping juice while driving. What is the jaguar sipping? Juice. Here is the juice. So he is sipping the juice while he is driving. They both are going to the jungle in a jeep. Where are they both going? They both are going to the jungle in a jeep. So they both are going to the jungle in the jeep. Now how can you ask them questions related to letter J? Okay, here are some questions. Here are some questions. Does a joker make you happy or sad? Okay, tell me. The joker makes you happy. The joker does the acts that makes you happy, that makes you laugh. Okay, so joker makes you happy. How many wheels does a jeep have? How many wheels are there in a jeep? There are 4 wheels. Show me your 4 fingers. There are 4 wheels. What do we keep in a jug? What do you keep in a jug? You either keep water, you either keep juice, okay? So you put liquids in the jug. Where does the jaguar live? Where does the jaguar live? Jaguar lives in jungle. Jaguar lives in jungle. Which flavor do you like in juice? You have to tell me which flavor do you like. You like strawberry juice, you like orange juice, So you have to tell what is your favorite flavor in juice. Okay. Now here is an activity. Put objects in the basket that start with letter J. Play blindfold game. Whichever object they pick while being blindfolded, allow them to identify and name them. Okay. You have to take a basket. You have to put some toys related to letter J. Then put a blindfold on your child's eyes and ask them to pick the toy and call out the name of that toy. Ask, have you seen a joker? You have to ask, have you seen a joker? Let the children act like a joker. Paint their faces if it's possible. So you can paint their faces. You can put red paint on their nose, on their cheeks. So, and you can give them a funny outlook. So, this way you have to cover letter J. Here is a rhyme. Jaguar can drive a jeep outdoor. The joker can juggle jugs 4. Jaguar can drive a jeep outdoor. The joker can juggle jugs 4. Okay. Because here the joker is juggling the 4 jugs. Okay. Jager, joker, jager, juggling, jager, jugs. So this is all about letter J. I hope you all enjoyed learning about letter J. First of all, this is all step-by-step process. Okay, parents? First of all, they will recognize the vocabulary related to it. Then they will say sentences about it. Then you will put questions about it. They will answer. Please conduct all these activities. Only then will be able to enhance their communication skills. Will be able to enhance vocabulary in their word bank. We need to put more words in their word bank every day. Okay, so this is letter J. This is letter J. You all have to complete letter J in spoken English. You have to listen to the rhyme We Are Special. Then you have to write number 6 in maths. This is all for the day. We will meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care and complete your task.